Right guys, hello. As you can see here, we've got this lovely Lamborghini Aventador S Roadster, a car that needs no introduction. This amazing orange, I've got no idea what the Italian name for it is. I've had the car in for quite a bit of work and a pretty good set of customization, tweaks and changes. So the whole car has full PPF on it, self-healing, put a ceramic coating on top so it's going to protect from stone chips, swirl marks, make it really easy to wash and maintain. That's a really good thing. So as part of the PPF installation, as normal, we do try and wrap every edge that we can do. So the bonnet is fully wrapped, even the sharp corners are completely wrapped. The wings all tucked on in the inside, likewise for the bumper. The other thing that we've been doing is we spent a lot of time putting a lot of carbon fibre PPF on the extremities, the splitter, the diffuser, the side skirts, so all the way along here, and the diffuser at the back. Some of the other things that we've been doing as well is this intake vent here. We've put carbon PPF on the intake vent. We've done the roof as well. That was a horrible satin black plastic. It looked rubbish. And to get the genuine carbon bits from Lamborghini cost an absolute fortune. What else have we done? We've done the gloss black grills on the side intakes and on the front bumper as well. They were pretty faded and stained. The other part we have done is on the inside when the door opens. So we've done a retrim steering wheel, show the lovely people. We didn't do that in-house. We had our friend Valentino at VPEX Trims carry that out for us. We just removed the wheel and got it all arranged for the logistical side. Other little customizations in terms of the installation that we carried out was we sort of measured and checked a few bits and pieces on a pattern. So we actually shrunk the PPF around the door handle. The regular pattern only comes down to this body line, whereas the door actually extends about another 1.5 inches inside. So we've also extended the film all along the bottom. This side skirt has been wrapped onto the inside as well to prevent any dirt edges and future lifting issues. I mean, yeah, the car looks incredible. It's an amazing color. I love Lamborghinis. Some people are Ferrari men. I like Ferraris as well, but I love Lambos. So yeah, looking a lot better compared to how the car came in. It's completely transformed it, especially the little carbon fiber touches. And a couple of other little bits that I forgot to mention. We tinted the rear lights. As you can see, they look a little bit smoked, and we also put a light tinted PPF on the side reflectors. So that unit there and this unit here, because they did stand out quite a lot, and the overall contrast just looked a bit odd. And as you can see, it looks very proper, very supercar-y. Yes. So as mentioned, we're just doing a little bit more behind the scenes of some footage that I took. Obviously, we're starting off with a thorough wash and decontamination of the paint, cleaning all of the shuts, trims and rubbers. My boy Shiz come down to give me a hand. We are installing the bonnet here. We have bulk fitted this because we can wrap more edges than if we used a pattern, although we did use patterns on virtually all other parts of the car. The original matte black plastic parts do not look great, and with the price of genuine Lamborghini carbon costing tens of thousands of pounds for each part, their carbon PPF is a great option which achieves a very similar look for a fraction of the price. Here we are plotting out some patterns for installation onto the car. And if you ever wanted to see what an Aventador S looks like underneath, then here you go. It's got a completely flat floor for aerodynamic purposes. So yeah, that was it. Just a quick video here from us. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the rest of the summer, and we'll catch you in the next video very soon.